It's snowing, it's snowing.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're new, today I am packing up my apartment, or this is the start of me trying to pack up my apartment because your girl is moving. I talked about moving. I talked about a few different locations in New York that I wanted to move to, and it's happening. So basically what I did was, my lease was up last year in the summertime and I had to find somewhere quick, and I didn't realize how important location was to me at the time, and I made a wrong decision by moving to the place where I live now, and I tried everything to make this place, you know, better for me. Like, my place is decked out, okay, got wallpaper, you know, my room is all cute and nice, but that just wasn't enough to make me want to stay. Like, I love this apartment, I love the layout, but we gotta go, we gotta say goodbye. So yesterday I went to go get some boxes. So I have some boxes. These are gonna be for my clothes and packing up the kitchen. So I went and got boxes yesterday. I need to go to the post office because I have a package to ship out, and I also need I have a package to pick up. Yeah, I'm about to head to the post office real quick. I'm doing that, and then I also need to make sure I get tape while I'm out, because the reason why I haven't like put the boxes together so I can put stuff in it is because I don't have no tape. How about that? I just washed my hair, and yeah, looks bomb. It is extremely cold in New York right now, so I just have on a little sweater, jeans, and some Uggies. Some Uggies. Nothing special, clearly. I'm debating if I want this same wallpaper at the new place. I feel like I haven't had it like long enough. I feel like I need this exact wallpaper at the new place. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I love this wallpaper. I'm also gonna miss this wallpaper too. I do have a wall like this in the new place that could have the pink wallpaper, but I don't know. Alright guys, back from the post office. All the packages got dropped off, and the packages that I needed got picked up. I got the tape. I did not forget 2 things to tape. So I'm about to put these boxes together over here. Let's get it. Y'all, Justin is here trying to do the most with these boxes. Just break my damn box. Get out my box.
I'm moving with you.
Alright guys, so the boxes are all put together now. We ran out of tape, so it's no more tape, but we have a few boxes to work with. So these boxes are going to be to pack up my kitchen and for clothing, and then after that I can see like if I need more boxes, because I didn't really know how many boxes I need. I have some big ones, some medium ones, and some small ones, so we shall see. I just don't know where I should start. I'm kind of sad I'm doing this at the evening time where it's getting dark, because I don't know where I should start. This apartment is so dang on dark at nighttime because it's no overhead lighting at all. So it gets really dark in here. So I was thinking about doing the coat closet. But then I was like, do I really want to start there? So then I was like, do I go in here? But this would include like basically getting trash bags and stuff, because a lot of this stuff in here, like, I just have so much stuff that it's like I don't want to bring that energy to the new place, you know? That energy cannot come to the new place. I ended up unplugging all of like my lamps and heat AC units and everything, because Con Edison came out today to check to see was my bill tripping, because my bill was like, what was it, $750 for heat in New York. So I wanted them to come out to make sure, because my bill had went from like $237 to $450 to $650 to $750. I said, no, hold up now, stop. He's like, what have you changed? I said, I didn't change. He's not on the phone. They were like, oh, should I turn on all the lights? On the phone, they were like, do you have any, that's an excessive amount of electricity that you're using. Do you have a generator plugged up? I'm like, no, I don't got no dang generator plugged up. Oh my God, guys. You remember where I cleaned out this closet? I just have so much stuff. Like, I'll wash clothes and then I just put them, I just didn't have time. I didn't have time. So I just, like, they were in the bag and then I was searching for it. I just have I feel like I have unnecessary things that, like, when it gets to the point where you don't even have to wash clothes because you have so many clothes, I think that is a problem. And that is why at the new place, no. Did y'all know that the month of February I didn't buy not one piece of clothing, article clothing? No bag, no nothing, okay? I was very serious when I said I'm trying to detox my life, and just so happened detoxing meant everything completely. But yeah, but, or I could do this. I like some of these drawers, like, barely can even open now. How do you figure out where you're gonna start with this, Jayla? Woo. Want this stuff? Oh, this is cute. Jayla, this is cute. Oh, this is gonna be cute for the spring. This denim little thing. Okay, let me just bring all the coats. Bring all the coats so I can take a deeper look. Lord, Lord, Lord. Okay. Keep or no keep? I got this as a Christmas gift from Dote, and I think it's a cute bomber for New York weather when it's like not spring, but it's not freezing cold. I think it's cute. Keep it. Coats are all in the boxes. Now I have to stop being stingy with this stuff. I haven't even looked at this stuff, so I'm going to attempt to let it go, let it go. I know I can't sing. I think I want to keep. Neon's really in, so when it warms up, do I want to wear these? Like white top? Yeah, probably do. Why didn't I bring a trash bag in here? So crazy. I have some shoes that I don't really wear. Like, I went through this. Well, I wore these to Afro Punk, so like I had like an edgy look on. But like edgy isn't really my style. That's not like what I like. I don't know. I like just being simple and classy, kind of. I like simple and classy, like simple colors, plain and classy. I don't know. I just really I like that stuff. This is overwhelming, guys. Oh my God. Luckily, all of these drawers are empty. Well, almost empty. I literally emptied out these drawers last time I was going through everything, so that's perfect. So I just literally have to figure out a system to this box thing, because you know I want like the summer stuff in one box, the like more dressy glam sequency stuff in another box, and then my winter stuff in a box. So I think that's where my dilemma is right now, like why I'm like looking like, what should I do? I need a break. Let's go on a drink break. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, y'all. All right, guys, look at all these boxes. You might as well keep on packing it up. 2 boxes are already full. I tried to start, but I guess it's time. Let's go. Let's go. Back at it. Every time I look at this room, though, I just be like, Jayla, why do you have so many clothes? What is wrong with you? On a more positive note, my grandma sent me something in the mail. She sent me my Christmas present because I didn't go to my mom's house for Christmas. I went to my dad's house. So she sent my Christmas present in the mail. She was like, I know it's late, but I've been had it. I said, that's okay, Grandma. So let's go open our Christmas present. Grandma, let's see what we got in here. Can't compare with the scissors. What is this? I have another one in pink. Oh my God, just warm, fuzzy stuff to wear. I love walking around the house bundled up. Like, I be wanting to wear like cute little robes, but I need a robe and stuff that's warm. She got me socks to walk around the house in. More socks, more warm fuzzy socks. Aw, thank you, Jaden, for my Christmas note. I love it oh so much. I'm gonna keep it forever. I'm gonna save it in a nice spot. I see my little Charlie Brown stickers on here. Thanks so much. I love it. Alright guys, I'm in the city walking to my first Broadway show ever. I'm going to see Frozen on Broadway, and I invited my girl Morgan with me. I thought it'd be a great experience for the both of us. I don't think she's been to a Broadway show, but maybe. And yeah, I'm just by like the Rockefeller Center, and I'm just happy the wind isn't blowing like crazy in New York right now, so that's that. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Theater. I'm so excited.
Years ago, right?
Jayla never asked. The first.
No, because he was sitting in between us. You didn't have a choice.
I didn't have a choice.
You didn't have a choice. You had to. Alright guys, in the theater with my boo Morgan. Guess what we got?
Oh my God. We have juice.
We got juice.
I'm selling juice at the concession stand. I feel like I haven't been on here in a long time.
I know. Because we hang out. I know they probably do.
Y'all
still friends. Yeah, I love doing that. But oh my God.
We're here. What theater is this?
St. James.
To see Frozen.
We were like, we are some big little kids today. And it's okay because we see all these little kids, but Frozen.
It's gonna be so good. I love the movie.
I like the movie too. I'm just wondering how they're gonna play this all out on this little floor. Let me show you. Who's gonna go to jail for showing up? This the showing up. Oh, I'm just kidding. Intermission. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Ooh, that was cute. I like that. Ooh. Is you crying? No, I'm laughing. Oh. I'm definitely crying. What? Oh my God. Morgan got me here at this Mediterranean restaurant. So good. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Let's take a bite. snowing, snowing. Wait, I want to make some footsteps. I don't think Uggs are made for this, but oh no, car. Alright guys, I am at the airport. I am on the way to Atlanta for the BET Social Awards. I'm excited. I haven't been to Atlanta in a really long time. I had some bomb food. It snowed last night in New York. It's a lot going on. You know, okay, I look cute at the airport, but I'm flying in. We're going to a dinner, so I want to go ahead and be like kind of ready. Yeah, so since I needed to kind of be ready, I just went ahead and did my makeup. My hair looks good. My outfit is super cute, and I do have a change of outfit just in case I need to be a little bit more, you know, zooled up. But I'm about to board my flight, guys, on the way to Atlanta. Let's see what Atlanta has popping for us this weekend. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be lit. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be lit. Like, my homeboy Zia's is gonna be there. So yeah, he like touched down and already texted me and stuff. Okay, it's lit. I'm excited. I'm excited. I haven't seen Zia since YouTube Black. Yo, that was my partner in crime. Okay, we was doing the shots. But alright, so I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know when I get there. Super cold.
Yeah, we lit this motherfucker.
Y'all rolled up with the music on. I'm like,
Okay. Yeah.
well, yes, he's not the guy who's like, no.
It's not by mistake. You are meant to be here. So clap it up right now. Everybody look real good. I see all y'all. It's like a whole action show over here. See, some of y'all might know me as your girl watch that. And also, y'all, this is social awards, and I want you guys to mix and mingle. This is a room full of people that you need to know. Don't just be like, oh, I see this person. Introduce yourself. Tell somebody what you do. If you have a business card, hand it out. Don't be here just looking cute. Talking about, I'm gonna get my outfit off. Network. That's what we're here for. So get in this room, make sure you're networking, you're talking to people, and I'll pass it over. What's your name, bro? Ooh, yeah. Now bow your head. Father God, right now, we just thank you for being an awesome God, Lord God. We thank you for bringing everyone together, Lord Jesus. Lord God, we thank you for being Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, Lord God. Lord God, I
Oh, my bomb. Yes. Food has came. Here we got some sides.
up to it, down to it. Fuck the hoes that don't do it. We do it because we used to it. So drink, motherfucker, drink. Drink, motherfucker, that's when you drink.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Alright guys, this is how I like to walk around the house. Like, definitely not sexy, 100% cozy. I just like to be warm. Look at his socks. Warm, feet warm, body warm. This is what I like. So now I'm going to go into there. Take your warm butt into there, Jayla. Go back in. Nope. That's literally how I feel about this right now. Like, girl, you need to just go ahead and do it. And then I'm like, nah, I'm actually hungry. No, actually I want to do this. No, I'm making up all these dang on excuses. I am hungry though.